In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a wallet to MetaMask. It's actually quite simple. So the first thing we recommend is running up the MetaMask extension. So I'm going to click it over here. And then you of course have to log in with your password. And once you are inside your wallet, if you want to connect a different wallet, you want to click on account 1 up here or whatever that says. So just click on that. And it will give you an option to click add account or hardware wallet. You want to click on this. And from here, you'll be able to import an account, which will basically import a wallet into MetaMask. So you just want to click this, and then under select type, you will have to click private key, and from here you will have to enter your private key string over here. So what this private key is, it's basically once you create a wallet on a different wallet account or exchange or whatever, you will get a private key, which should be private and only available to you, so you should never share it. And then if you want to essentially import that account, so let's say you're trying to import, I don't know, Phantom Wallet or something like that, you simply have to have the private key from Phantom Wallet, and you have to paste it in here inside MetaMask, and then click import, and your Phantom Wallet or whatever wallet you are trying to import will be connected. So after this, when you click import, you will be able to see account 1, and if you click on this, you'll see another account, which will be the second account or the wallet you connected to MetaMask. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.